Hey guys, welcome back. Good morning, everybody. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so there is some things that I need to tell you. I'm going to try not to cry. I'm going to try my best not to cry because I really just don't want to. So a couple days, I think it was maybe 4 or 5 days, a couple days I think, but I found out that I have cancer. So today is a little bit of a different video, as you can tell from the title, and it's really been hard to deal with for me and my family, and I wanted to come on here and tell you guys because I'm obviously going to be away for quite some time because I am getting surgery done on my tumor to get it removed.
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, I wanna love you as you are. But I won't let them break it down to dust. I know that there's a place for me.
So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much, and I love you so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Corner office. So cool.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop.
We're at Facebook right now. Super exciting. I'm gonna go in and kind of see how everything is in Facebook. We got our little badges.
You get to fly with me.
Welcome to our new house.
I can take you down.
Happy 4th of July, everybody! Woo, woo, woo. And look, it's me! Look at me! There's me. There's my channel, Corgan Art. We're right by the rocket.
1990. Way out here, where we're from, we don't say ooh la la, Perry on. Don't need no bottle service budget. Got no money, but we love it. Raising plastic cups to a life of luxury. C'est la vie on a Friday. We get dressed up in a blue jean tux and we go where we don't hear the highway. Don't need doubles and bubbles to get in all kinds of trouble out in the country. Don't need a crystal chandelier to have a real good time. We're drinking beer on a champagne.
Pull.
Shoot it. Oh!
Sorry, I got way too excited.
I know.
Can you see me outshining? And it's you that I've been waiting to find. 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 Now that we can hear that sound, now that you can hold me down. Everything I can arrange, every part of me you change. Tell me you'll always want me to stay. I was biting my tongue, I was trying to hide. I forget what I've done, I'm really defined. It's shaking the sky, and I'm following lightning. I'll recover if you keep me alive. Don't leave me behind. Can you see me? I'm shining, and it's you that I've been waiting to find. 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 It's you that I've been waiting to find.
All right, that was it. I hope you guys loved this little video that we created.
Yes, we hope it provided a little bit of insight into what our life has been like since meeting. We also wanted to take a moment to thank everybody. We know some of you have traveled great distances to be here during some uncertain times, and we're very appreciative of that. And then lastly, we wanted to thank those who really helped make today possible.
If it wasn't for you guys, all of this would not have happened at all. So we love you guys so, so much.
can't go